Alexia, and today we're going to talk about the structure of DNA and of course, what is the importance of DNA. In 1953, two young scientists were working with nucleic acids at Cambridge University in England. One was James T. Watson, who was an American biologist, and the other one was Francis H. Crick, a British biophysicist. Together, they proposed a model for the structure of DNA. Watson and Crick demonstrated that the spiral is double and that the nitrogen bases are arranged in a certain way. The model they proposed had a shape like a ladder. Sides are the alternating sugar and phosphate groups, while the rungs are the nitrogen bases. The ladder is twisted so that it forms a double coil. We also know that DNA has a lot of importance, so now let's talk about the importance of DNA. As you will remember, that the cell nucleus contains a thread-like material called chromatin. When a cell is dividing, this material thickens and forms chromosomes. For a long time, biologists expected that these structures were possible for passing on hereditary information. Biochemical studies showed that the chromosomes are made of proteins and nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are complex biological compounds. They contain a 5-carbon sugar, which is nitrogen containing organic bases and phosphate groups. A single nucleic acid molecule may have millions of individual atoms. These micromolecules were considered to be of little interest as far as hereditary was concerned. DNA is built up in small units. Each of these units is composed of sugar, a phosphate group, and a base. The units are called nucleotides. Think of a DNA molecule as a double strand of nucleotides with weak hydrogen bonds joining their bases. Several million nucleotides may be found in a single strand. There are 4 different bases in DNA. 2 belong to the class of organic molecules known as purines. Adenine and guanine are the part of these purines. The other 2 are pyrimidines. Thymine and cytosine are the name of these pyrimidines. When discussing DNA structure, usually the initial letters of these bases are used. They are simply called A for adenine, G for guanine, F for thymine, and C for cytosine. These bases are part of a code system that controls protein synthesis, and that is how replication happens. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching and listening.